Today you will learn how to administer and score the Brigance Comprehensive Inventory of Basic Skills 2. This tool is the Brigance Comprehensive Inventory of Basic Skills 2, a criterion reference test. The reason it is criterion reference is that it is not a normed and it is comparing students to criterion in the test. This test is for grades K through 8th. There is one form of this test. There are different subtests within this test, which are readiness, speech, listening, word reception, oral reading, reading comprehension and word analysis, word recognition, spelling, writing prompts, mathematics, grade placement, number and operations, algebra, geometry, measurement and data analysis, and probability. This test assesses reading, ELA, and math skills that a teacher can look for in a student. This test is used to compare each child's results with the performance of other students.
To administer this test, one needs the Reading and ELA Examiner's Manual, the Mathematics Examiner's Manual. Also, a record book will be needed, a pencil, table, and 2 chairs are also needed for the test.
The testing conditions should be quiet. The student being tested should be aware and focused. While there is no basal or ceiling for this test, there are rules for where to begin and end. To begin, start one grade level below where the student is performing. For ending the test, the examiner can stop whenever. The test can be stretched out over multiple days. When administering the test, there will be some pages in the examiner's manual that the student will need to be shown. For answers, circle the skill and item number for each correct response, and underline the skill and items that you wish to further instruct.
Our student is Molly Johnson, and here we calculated her chronological age. So we started with the test date, October 28th of 2020, and then we took her birthday, September 26th of 2014, and we subtracted those to get 6 years, 1 month, and 2 days. So we decided that her chronological age was 6 years and 1 month. So our student is in kindergarten, but she is gifted and is performing at a 1st grade level, which means that for this assessment, she will be starting at a kindergarten level.
This is an example of the student data record form. Before you administer the test, you'll add the student's name, birth date, phone, parent caregiver, school program, home address, and additional comments about the student. You'll then continue to the bottom where you will take each evaluation. Since there is no basal for the test as to when it stops, each session you will use a different colored utensil with the date, the examiner name, and then a checklist of observations. Before administering the test, it's important to take a look at the recording sheet. Molly will be questioned on reading words with common endings in word analysis. Here are examples of all the word endings and correct answers that she will have to say. Each correct answer, it is circled and then recorded at the end of the session. This is an example of what Molly will see when the test is administered.
Okay, Molly, read the groups of words with common endings. The words in each group rhyme. They have the same ending. Read the 3 words in each group of words. The 3rd word in each group is not real. Try your best to sound out this word. Are you ready?
Yes. Hen, ten, len.
Okay, what do you think is the common ending?
N. Cat, pat, lat.
What do you think is the common ending?
At. Game, tame, pain.
What do you think is the common ending?
Aim. Let, met, det. Et. Man, van, lan. An. doll, all. Dad, sad, rad, add. Book, cook, mook, ook. Not, dot, bot, ot. Lake, wake, dake, ache. Hill, till, nil, ill. Hold, sold, nold, old. Well, fell, bell, L. Hop, pop, nap, op. Sand, land, band, and. Sight, tight, gite, ite. Pound, sound, lound, ound. Pack, sack, dack, ack. Dark, mark, tark, arc. Seed, weed, lead, eed.
Okay, Molly, the next set of words is a bit more challenging. Try your best to figure it out.
Keep, deep, feet, eep. Pick, kick, mick, ick. Side, wide, nide, nide. Pink, sink, tink, ink. King, wing, ling, ing. Luck, tuck, juck, juck. Near, fear, veer, ear. Map, tap, fap, app. Late, fate, nate, eight. Mail, rail, dale, ale. Line, vine, rhyme, ein. Fair, pair, rare, rare. Lock, sock, tock, ock. Pin, win, min, in. Nest, test, dest, est. Bar, jar, dar, r. Hid, rid, pid, id. Meet, feet, deet, eat. Bite, kite, tight, tight. Bush, push, bush, bush.
When it comes to scoring the test, each of the 12 assessments are scored individually. This is done by multiplying the total correct answers for that section by a specific point value per question. Generally, scores below 70 to 75 out of a possible 100 points indicate a need for a follow-up assessment. Molly got 35 out of 40. This means she got an 87.5% for this section of the test. This indicates that she does not need a follow-up assessment because she is over the 70 to 75. This is just showing you how we got Molly's score, which is based off of one of the 12 assessments, which for our example was word analysis. So we took the questions correct, which was 35, and then the total set of questions, which was 40. And then to get the percent, you put x over 100 and you multiply 35 by 100 and then divide that by 40. And that gets you to 87.5%. And this indicated that there was no follow-up assessment needed for Molly because she is above the 70 to 75 range. So based off of all 12 assessments, we look at standard deviation, which is when we compile all of the scores from all 12 assessments. And Molly falls right over here at a current level of 114, which means she falls one standard deviation above the mean of 100, which qualifies her as a gifted learner.
Okay, Molly, this is an activity about positional and directional concepts. The line of the children begins here. Can you show me the child that is right after this child? Can you show me the child that is right before this child? Can you show me the bird that is flying up? Can you show me the bird that is flying down? Can you show me the object that is to the left of the big rock? Can you show me the object that is to the right of the tent? Can you show me the object that is over the stream? Can you show me the animal that is under the table? Can you show me the animal that is on the table? Can you show me the person that is inside the tent? And can you show me the person outside of the tent? Nice job. Okay, Molly, this is an ordinal numbers activity. Use the ordinal numbers to describe the position in the sequence. You will start at the start spot. You can begin now.
So here we have Molly's score for her math test. So we have the questions correct, which is 28 out of the total number of questions assessed, which was 30. And we calculate her score by doing x over 100. So we multiply 28 by 100 and we divide that by 30 to get the percent of 93.3%. This is Molly's percentile score. No follow-up assessment is needed because she falls above the 70 to 75 range.
Thank you for listening. We hope you learned how to administer and score the Brigance Comprehensive Inventory of Basic Skills 2.